Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to discuss that how you can change the language of your Amazon Prime Video account. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. The first thing you need to do is to open a browser either on your mobile or you can do it on the laptop or PC as well. So I'm using a mobile. I open the web browser. The next thing you need to do is to enter Amazon Prime. You can type in, then tap on this one. So it will bring you to primevideo.com, and from here you need to tap on your profile option at the top right corner. Once you tap on here, if you can see sign out, that means that you're already signed into your account. If not, make sure that you're signed into your account first. The next thing, tap on account and settings. So once you tap on account and setting, it will bring you here. You just need to scroll to the right of the screen where you will find the language. So once you tap on the language, the first one is the website language. If you want to change the language of the website, you can do it from here. Just tap on the change option, and here you will find all this list. It depends on your preference. So you can select any language from here and then tap on save. So how you can change the streaming language now, you will find it here. Just tap on change and it will bring you to this page here, and it says auto or custom. So if you want to change it, just select custom, and from here you can select multiple option frequently used in your area. It depends on that. It will give you recommendations as well. So from here you can select multiple options as well. So then the streaming language on your Amazon account will be set according to that one that you choose. So once you choose some languages, just suppose I will choose a few for the video sake, and then you need to just tap on save, and those languages will be saved as your streaming languages on Amazon Prime Video. So guys, this is all it takes to change the language on your Amazon Prime Video account. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.